looking for one of our good customers on consignment. 2011 Ford F-150 Lariat Limited SuperCrew. A little over 58,000 miles on this one. No accidents indicated on the Carfax. 6.2 liter underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, of course. It's going to have all your amenities of a late model truck. And then some, of course, with the Limited and the Lariat package. The Limiteds, they only made 3,700 of. 2011. This one is number 2,619, as you can tell by the serialized plaque that is on the center console armrest. Let you get a look at the front grille, front fascia. Did notice one little kind of dinger right there. Shows up a little bit, and that is in the still pictures. You'll be able to see. And speaking of still pictures, check out the still pictures of this truck. You can see it top to bottom, inside and out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us at 507-386-1726. That 6.2 liter underneath the hood is paired up with a 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Color on this would be considered white platinum pearl tri-coat with a two-tone interior. Call it kind of black and titanium or black and gray. Of course, buckets up front, center console, shifter down there on the floor. All kinds of good equipment on the interior, electronic dual climate control. It does have the Sony stereo system with sync, satellite radio, navigation, power sunroof. You can see it's riding on the 22-inch aluminum wheels. Great looking wheels in this truck, by the way. Tonneau cover, does have a bed mat in the box also, and again, you can see that in the still pictures. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Truck has not been driven in inclement weather. It does not appear from looking at the interior, underside, hood liner, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. I believe the ownership was pretty much between South Dakota and Arizona before coming here. And again, Carfax, no accidents indicated. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's take a look at the back seat, give you an idea how roomy these trucks are. And again, the condition of the rear of this seat. Something else to take a look at. Heated rear seats. Right there's the switch for it. Headliner, nice shape. Of course, the keypad, keyless entry. This would also have key fob with keyless entry, auto start. Again, all the equipment you're going to expect on a late model truck, and then some, being the Lariat Limited package, steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start this up a second too. Check out the exact miles. Like I said, it's a shade over 58,000. There's the miles, 58,096. No warning indicators, service engine soon, anything like that. Check out the rest of the dash. As mentioned earlier, power sunroof. Then take a look at the condition of the seats. Leather on these, hardly worn. I tell you what, let's pop that hood, check out the engine bay. I'm going to show you how clean and nice that is also while we're at it here. I'm going to pause this 1 second and pop that hood for us and let's take a look at the engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's one thing I was talking about as far as inclement weather. Look how clean that hood liner is. there's no dried salt or road debris, anything like that in that head liner. And then take a look at this engine bay. Extremely clean. Again, the 6.2 liter. Newer battery. This battery has been replaced since it was new. Looks and sound as it should. And of course, slipping around to the back, there's no crazy exhaust, aftermarket exhaust, anything like that. Truck sounds like you'd expect from a stock 2011 Ford F-150. There you go. Remember, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can call us 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.